Yes, transmit time. Transmit transmit time in the Rappler yes, transmit time in the Rappler space of reflex klystron. Reflex klystron. Trans, transmit time in the Rappler space of reflex klystron must be n plus 3 by 4 cycle. Must be what? Must be n plus 3 by 4 cycle. To ensure what? To ensure what? What ensure this? This ensure what? The retard electron. The electron which is retarded will give the energy to the gap oscillation. To give the energy to gap oscillation. No, actually what we want, what is our main requirement in reflex klystron? What type of oscillator we are using at high frequency? Just our ultimate goal is what? Our ultimate goal is to energize the RF signal. Means we want to increase the power of RF signal. Yes, this is our ultimate goal. Then for that, what is needed? For that, what is needed? We want to energize that. Okay, we want to increase the frequency of oscillation. We want to increase the oscillation. Oscillation increasing means what? We want to energize. Okay, energize the RF signal. RF signal. How we can energize? We can energize by what? By releasing the energy from electron. Yes, by releasing the energy from the electron to the RF signal. How we can? How we can how we can release the energy from the electron? Because as you see here, this is what there in reflex klystron we have to what buncher cavity and we have catcher cavity. Yes, at transmitter side we have bunching cavity, and at receiver side we have catcher cavity. Yes, now actually if you see there is a electron, the motion of electron initially is what? If you see the motion of electron that we are generating from what? Cathode. Yes, the motion of electron means velocity of electron. These are what? All electron. Velocity of these electrons are uniform velocity. Okay, all have uniform velocity. All have uniform velocity. Now this uniform velocity, we are unable to what? We are unable to what? Amplify the signal. Means we are unable to increase the frequency of oscillation. For that what we need? We need to, this is like AC signal. When we are superimposing this beam of electron with this AC signal, we will superimpose in this way. Means there is a three type of electron. One is early electron, one is late electron, and one is reference electron. One is early electron, late electron, and reference electron. Yes, the early electron velocity of these, see, early electron velocity is less than reference electron velocity, less than late electron velocity. Yes, these are velocity of these electron. These electron will move in this velocity. Very large velocity. If you see very large velocities, electron means the late electron has very large velocity and early electron has very small velocity and reference electron has uniform velocity. Okay, if we will if we will if we will superimpose these electron in such a way that here this is maximum retardation, because we want to retard. Okay, our ultimate aim is to retard this electron, because during retardation means what? The velocity of electron will get decreases, kinetic energy of electron will get decreases, and hence the energy of electron will get decrease, and that all energy will get transferred to what? RF signal. Okay, RF signal. So now if we see here, these are what? So these are three. Let us say we are we are transmitting these electron in such a way that, see, this is my early electron. early electron, okay, early electron will move from here, okay, so early, and then reference electron will move from this point, and late electron will move from this point, yes, this point. Now after that, if you see at this is at catcher cavity side, this is during this side is what buncher, okay, so this is what buncher cavity. So now at buncher cavity, all these electrons will reach at the same place, okay, at the same place. So these electrons will reach at the same place at what bunching cavity. So now in this way, if we see here, we are able to what all these electrons are bunching together, okay. So now in this way we can give the more energy to what, to RF signal, okay. So now if you see here, klystron transmit in the Rappler space. So let us say this transmit in Rappler space, transmit in the Rappler space of the reflex klystron must be n plus 3 by 4. This indicate what? This indicate that the electron this indicate that the electron, resulting electron, give the gap resulting, that is what returning electron. Yes, this is nothing but, if you see the klystron here, returning electron, returning electron give the energy, returning electron give the energy to gap oscillation, yes, to gap oscillation means what? It will give the energy to RF signal. So therefore RF signal will get energized, and in this way the RF power signal will get increase. Power of the RF signal will get increase. Okay. So this returning electron, or you can say that this is what actually a retardation. Okay. Retarding electron. Retarding electron. Retarding electron by what? By magnetic field. Retarding electron by magnetic field. Yes, retarding electron by magnetic field will release what? Will release the energy. Yes, will release the energy to RF signal. Okay, so here you can say retarding electron, because these electrons, returning electron, give the energy to the gap oscillation. Yes, gap oscillation. So means gap oscillation means what? It is giving the energy to the frequency of oscillation or of RF signal. Okay, so in this way we can increase the power of RF signal. So this returning also, in magnetron we can say, in case of magnetron, it is a retarding electron which is retarding by the magnetic field. Okay, in retarding, when it is retarding means during this the electron velocity is decreasing, and in this way the energy of kinetic energy of electron will get decreased, and hence the energy of electron decrease, and this energy loss will get transferred. This energy that the electron has lost will transfer into what? RF signal. Okay, into RF signal. And here this transmit mode will be n plus 3 by 4. It will be n plus 3 by 4. Okay, and it is also n minus 1 by 4. N plus 3 by 4 when n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, n minus 1 by 4 when n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay, so in place of n plus 3, n minus 1 by 4 is also there, because n plus 3, okay, n plus 3 by 4 is also n plus 3 by 4 and n minus 1 by 4. Two more possible, both have same value. Okay, but in case of n minus 1 by 4, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, n plus 3 by 4, n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the mod. Okay, these are the mod where the returning electron will give what? Will give its energy to the gap oscillation. Okay, gap oscillation means it is giving the energy to RF signal. In this way we are able to increase the power of RF signal. Okay, so that's all for this question number 26.